How's it going? So this episode kind of started out as a time lapse. I mainly just wanted to jump in and try and get this intake manifold on and this exhaust done, because the exhaust is probably the most time consuming part at this point. But I have it all tacked up, ready to go. I've also got my painted intake part on there, my plenum, and yeah, I'll give you a quick rundown of what I did here. So I've got my exhaust here, just tacked up right now, but I'm gonna run my wastegate right into it, and it's gonna be a hater pipe. I'm gonna have it sticking out of the hood. I'll cut a nice teardrop for it. This is a decent fit up. There's a little bit of gap there. Not too bad though, and that runs in through there. Yeah, this will be a little tricky. I might have to put a small flex pipe in here, just because once this is welded, it's gonna distort a whole lot, so it might not be easy to bolt up or unbolt. But I don't know how many times I'm gonna be doing that. Hopefully not too many times. But the only concern I had with this setup, I was gonna run it underneath the car, which would give it like maybe 3 extra inches of length. If I didn't, I was just gonna dump it underneath the car. I wasn't gonna run full exhaust out the back. But just my main concern with this is the wideband. Typically, you want it about between 24 and 36 inches away from your exhaust, like downstream. and I'm gonna be like a foot, maybe a little more than that. So I'm just worried about how accurate the readings are gonna be. I think it'll be fine, but we'll see how it pans out. If the car doesn't run right, I'm just gonna assume that my air fuel readings are off. So but yeah, I got this plenum's all painted, ready to go. It's not on there yet, I just set it on there for looks, for a Instagram picture. And this bracket's painted. I kind of missed the spot, but you won't notice that once everything's buttoned up. Yeah, and this next episode should be pretty straightforward. Putting our radiator back in, finishing up with the intake, and the exhaust should be done. I'll probably just have left cut a hole in the hood and my teardrop to weld on there, and then that should be good to go. It's going to be a bit tricky cutting a hole in the hood, but we'll figure it out. And yeah, I think that's it for now. I've got a pretty big mess here, but this is good to go. So the other thing too was I got my injectors in the mail not injectors, sorry. My pigtails for my injectors. If whoever wants to focus on them, you can do it. I believe in you. There we go. So yeah, just a 2-prong. They're kind of the same style that's on it, so I don't know. Don't know if they're actually. They might be very close. I don't think that was injector clippers. Oh, they're still on there, but I don't know. They might be very close. Somebody told me I needed these, so they might not be close enough. But yeah, I got those in, and I think that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching all that. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. If you guys need me to explain some stuff furthermore, like EGR delete or something, there's a couple videos on YouTube of the EGR delete. It's not hard at all. Your charcoal canister can go, and all the vacuum lines that lead into the charcoal canister, all that stuff is gone. The only tricky part is you have to make a vent for your gas tank. I haven't made mine yet. I just have an open line from the gas tank, so still have that to sort out. But yeah, next episode should be, I'll be welding up the exhaust and finishing up with the intake manifold. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good day.
Whatever it is, play that against you. I've got a feeling love don't have to be the way